Hello guys, again you are with me. My name is Rahul Singh and today we'll learn about the whole command. Okay, so for whole command, first we need to select any sketch. We'll select plane. We'll make any simple sketch. Okay, so we should quit from here. We should select the sketch and give pad command. Okay, okay, so this box we have made. Then we'll select this whole command. We'll select the plane, then whole command. Okay, so when we'll select the whole command, we have extension, type or thread dimension. Okay, so first we'll learn about what is this. Okay, this is blind type. We have up to next, up to last, up to plane, up to surface. Blind type means any dimension you will give. When you will give the diameter and depth. Okay, diameter, you see this, we have selected the plane, the dia came here. We can increase the dia here, depth also here. So suppose instead of 10 we'll give 100. Okay, and instead of 10 diameter we'll give 100. Okay, so if we can see here, see this hole we have made, but the dimension and depth is very less. Okay, again we will select. So if we'll select up to up to last, okay, so what will happen? Up to last surface it will go. See this. Okay, I'll show you. See this. See. Okay, this is better. So again we will select whole surface. Okay, so see, in the last command what we have learned, the simple thing. Then this is blind. Blind means any dimension we can give up to next plane, last plane, up to any plane. See, if suppose we have 2 or 3 planes, okay, or 2 or 3 3D parts. Okay, so from first part to second part we can choose any plane and we can give to that direction, in that direction. Okay, so this is also simple, this is also simple. Up to surface, any surface we can select, and up to that area we can put the hole. Okay, so this is very simple. And the main thing is that type. See, we have many types are there, like here diameter is there. Okay, diameter we can increase from here itself. See, this is simple type. Type we can tapered, counterbored, countersunk, counterdrilled. Okay, so now we will select simple, already we made. This time we make tapered. Okay, so (90°) tapered. Taper means this taper angle. Okay, so degree we can reduce. 20 degrees enough. See, we have to choose the type from here, and for dimension we can choose it from here also. Okay, so diameter, this is 100 mm. We can select this. (80 mm). Okay, see this hole. Now you can see this taper angle hole we made. Okay, now we'll select other thing. This is type we can change. counterbored. Okay, so now in counterbored, as you can see here, two dies are there. Okay, first die is more, second die is very less. Okay, so here, see, here also we can give this diameter 80 mm, depth 5 mm, and here extension already we have chosen 80 mm diameter is above. Okay, but in this area diameter 80, we can choose it 40 diameter. Okay, depth is 5 mm instead of 5 mm. We can counterbored diameter must value. Okay, sorry, see this 80 mm, because this in extension already we have given this diameter 80 mm. Okay, so this diameter at least 80 or plus, okay, should be there. So here we can choose it 120. Okay, depth we can take 10. See, this is countersunk. See, this area counter is there for 10 mm. It's not visual because it is very small. Okay, we can make it big also. Okay, we can make it big also, no problem. Instead of 80, we can take 100, and here we can take 300. Okay, in depth also we will increase 50. Okay, see this. Okay, so now it has been changed, as you can see. Okay, now another hole will take surface, type countersunk. Okay, so in countersunk here is small diameter, then cone is there. Okay, so we have to give the depth and degree also. Okay, so here this depth will give 100 and angle 20 degrees. Okay, extension will give 200. Okay, see this. Okay, if you can see, this is the degree, 20 degrees there. Okay, we can increase also degree from here. Suppose 50 degree we can give. See this. Okay, one more. Type is different, total counter drilled. So in this counter drilled, one flat, then cone, then flat. Okay, so 3 dimensions should be there: one diameter, second depth, and then degree, then extension. Okay, so see this. Okay, this is last type. Then see, in this we have covered all the things: simple, tapered, counterbored, countersunk, and counterdrilled. Extension means the depth and all that. Okay, and this is thread definitions. Okay, if like we have a screw, okay, then we have to select this threaded tick mark. Okay, then type will become here, dimension, support depth up to plane. Okay, so dimension we will select, then type will come here, over here. Okay, like the metric, thin pitch, thick pitch, no standard. Okay, so thick pitch I will take, suppose value 200 mm does not exist in selected standard. Okay, so here as per standard you will take, okay, M1. Okay, thread description is M1. Okay, hole diameter will be selected from here, thread depth will be here, so hole depth. So this is basically a design concept. When you need the design concept of thread type, screw type, or bolt type, then we can make. Okay, and pitch also we are mentioning here. See this one, pitch means thread to thread how much variation is there, that is called pitch. Okay, see, we can increase this also. Okay, hole diameter we can increase. Okay, this is basically a design concept, so as per design we have to make. Okay, now one more thing, that how we can control the dimension and the dimension with the reference points. Okay, that is also one point. So for that, what we need to do, see, there are two methods. First we need to select the hole, then in first case what we can do, we can select this point and second line, then we can make the hole here, then automatically the dimension will come over here and here. Okay, and from this area we can change the dimension itself. See this, like here 412 mm is there, we can make it 500. 500.00. Okay, so see, okay, so this change in 500. Okay, so, and the second thing is, we can select this, we can select the plane, then we have to take the dimensional constraints from here. From here we will take this one, this one, this one. Okay, see, this dimension came over here. Okay, from this one 500 already we have done. Other also we can change from here, 240 to, suppose we need 300. Okay, see this one, so 300 it has been changed from here. This is 500, this is 300. Okay, so there are two methods. First we need to select this one, then we can select this one and this one, two lines, automatically it will show the dimensions. Otherwise we have to put the surface hole, and we can double click and we can change the dimension from here to here with constraint help. Okay, so this is how we make the holes in the part design. Okay, okay guys, thank you very much. Please subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon to keep continue with the my latest videos. Okay, thank you very much.